I'm excited to introduce chairs. While this might not seem like a groundbreaking feature, it's something every creator has eagerly anticipated. Yes, we've had chairs since the beginning, but they weren't truly functional. And what's different now is that we can finally sit down. Previously, our avatars sank through the seats, which detracted from the experience. Chairs, because they hold such a significant importance for organizational purposes in virtual environments, because in VR, users naturally react to their surroundings, and by placing chairs, you create designated places, signaling to people in there that there's a reason for the avatars to be in that specific area. So now we can utilize Avatar Pose. It's in Gizmos, offers a few customizations. Now, currently there's only one pose setting, seat, and I'm optimistic that more options are going to be added in the future, like it could be laying down or sitting crisscross or climbing, who knows what else. Let's dive into the Use Custom Exit Direction feature. Traditionally, when you stand up from a chair, your avatar stands up directly in front of it. However, with the Use Custom Exit Direction, you can customize where your avatar appears when they stand up. For example, if I adjust the Z-axis to 10, my avatar will teleport 10 meters in front of the chair when I get up. Now, while I'm still exploring the practical applications of this teleportation, it could be beneficial in scenarios like vehicles where space is limited, or for managing crowd control. Like, imagine a situation where users are seated and upon standing, they're teleported back to a designated area like a lobby or something. Regardless of the specific utility, the aesthetic enhancement alone promises to deepen the immersive experience in Meta Horizon worlds. So I can't wait to see how creators utilize these new features.